Just moments from the heart of Quinta do Lago, yet in a world entirely of its own. Set within 12,000 square metres of immaculate private grounds, this is not simply a home, it's a secluded estate in one of the Algarve's most coveted addresses. Hi, I'm Liza from Mapro Knight Frank, and today I'm introducing you to something truly rare. From the moment you step inside, the architecture makes a statement. A sweeping marble staircase, Moorish influence, and a sense of scale that is both dramatic and inviting. This is a residence designed for living expansively, for hosting effortlessly, and for enjoying absolute privacy, just minutes from the finest golf, dining and lifestyle amenities of Quinta do Lago. 8 bedrooms across the main residence and guest accommodation, resort-style amenities, sport, leisure, entertaining, all within your own gated sanctuary. This is a unique estate bordering Quinta do Lago Resort. For more information, look up reference 344 on our website or contact me directly.